the Benjamin Model 132 air pump 22 caliber pellet gun. And this is the fun part where you get to shoot. I have a target right there. It's approximately 10 feet away, and I'm going to load one pellet in here. Where'd my pellet go? Just drops in there. Now I'm going to pump this 4 times, which is about as much as you can possibly get. And let's shoot it. It's not sighted in, but I'm going to see if I can get it close. Now you always want to have eye protection when you're shooting something like this. That's pretty good force. Let's see where we hit. Okay, I was aiming for center mass and we got pretty close, a little high and to the left. Let's try another. Bingo! So now that this is sighted in fairly well at 10 feet, and that's not really a long distance, I might push this a little bit farther to 20, 30, maybe 40 feet and see what our distance could be as far as getting a close group into a target. But let's have some fun. Destroy the balloon. Not bad, but you know, eventually I have to go there. Ooh! Just barely got it. I'm gonna get another shot on that. But overall, the Benjamin Model 132 is pretty fun to shoot, especially indoors. Outdoors, yes. Indoors, even funner. But consider getting a pellet gun if you're a prepper and you live in states or countries where you cannot own a firearm because of certain laws. If you can own a pellet gun, an air type pump action, you can get small game with it. I've done it numerous times with longer guns, with long rifles, but this thing is fun to shoot. It's a little James Bond-ish looking, but I love it. It's been in my family for over 50 years.
Yes, I did. I shot it in the living room. It only perforated the wall about 1/8 of an inch, but a little spackling and some touch-up paint, nobody will ever know. So follow me down to the range, which is in my garage. And this is the fun part of the video where you get to shoot at a target. Remember, always wear eye protection when you're doing something like this. So let's load a pellet and we can see how far we can get. See if we get a good grouping there. I might put a brighter orange dot in the center. Okay, this shot will be from about 10 feet away. A little high, but it's pretty centered. So let's do another. A little bit lower. Blew my target spot off. All right, let's see if we can get a hit on this target. And the airplanes are not my friend today. It looks like we got pretty much center. Let's try another shot. I'll pump this about 4 times. This shot, I'm going to go as far out as I possibly can. Let's see where we land on the target. This is at 25 feet. And I think that was right there. My board is getting eaten up here. So we should have some fun with this. We got some good hits on the board here, but my board is suffering from multiple gunshot wounds. Let's have some fun with this. Let's try an aluminum can. At 15 feet. Or a balloon. Yeah. And last of all, an egg. Had to be done at some point. And careful egg placement is essential. Really. So, the Benjamin Model 132 22 caliber pellet pistol. Pretty accurate, pretty fun, even if you're shooting it in the house. But that being said, I do have a new series coming out called Infected Z, and you can kind of tell where that's going. It's going to be a really interesting ride, so I'm going to start filming that next week. And that being said, be safe out there, and Prepper Action out. Zombie!
Yeah, what happens in YouTube stays in YouTube. My wife will never know I did this. Well, this is the fun part, where we get to actually shoot the gun. And have a target set up. I'm going to load I'm going to get the phone first, because somebody's always having to call you when you do a video.
Let's have some fun with this. And let's retake that, because I'm not used to having a mic now. So, getting used to the microphone cord yet? Do that one over. What, I didn't cock it? Jeez, amateur.